Hey, good day everyone. Join me as we put together this 60-inch adjustable work table here, and I just pulled everything out of the box. Here's everything that came with it. Got all the parts, legs, attachments over here, the plug, the table surfaces, the shelf, the backboard, the braces, of course the legs there. Okay, I've taken those two side pieces and then 2-piece E's here. We're going to put those together. We're going to use these K2 fasteners. They give you an open end wrench and an Allen wrench. Okay, got the two side pieces on. They say to go ahead and put 2 in the front there on each side, and then in the back here, I went ahead and did all 4. The side with 2 screws is the back. The side with 4 screws is the front. So next step, we're going to put that tabletop right underneath there. We're going to install it, and it's going to be flush with the back here. And the bottom side of the tabletop has some screws, some holes drilled in it, just like that. And I'm just sinking them all in with these K1 fasteners. And here's my setup for this. Got a little extension on there with the Phillips and my Porter cable cordless drill. All right, got all the fasteners sunk all around this to the top of the table there, including all these there. Those are all the K1s. Now we'll go ahead and adjust the height of the workbench. We're going to use these K6 fasteners here. These are just hand tight fasteners, and they're going to go right here. Okay, we got all these in on all 4 legs, and all 4 legs are adjusted to the same height. Okay, the next step involves these parts right here for the feet. So we're going to unscrew these nuts from this bolt here and run them through these 2 pieces. And this is going to fit right on top of there. That sits on the ground. You can see it's nice and grippy and rubbery too. And you can tighten these and loosen them, extend them. If you need more distance, make that a little bit longer, and then run these closer to there. For now, we're just gonna snug it all the way up, just thread it all the way down. And I got a 19mm socket and ratchet here. Just go ahead and tighten it down with that. All right, the next step involves the shelf right here and these brackets there, and then the K4 fasteners. These are gonna sit right there, and the fastener is gonna go down right through there. There we go. Same thing for the other side. Got the shelf set on there. We're gonna need 4 more of these K4 fasteners. And underneath here, I'm gonna go ahead and sink 1 in each of those, and then 1 in each of them on the other side too, total of 4. Next, we're gonna go ahead and install this piece with the K3 fasteners right down there. There we go. So I got 4 plugs. There's the on and off switch, and then a couple of USBs too. Okay, we got this big long piece here and these 2 little corner pieces. So this is gonna fit right in here where those holes are. K2 to K7, those are the nuts, those are the bolts. Okay, there we go. Those are all tight. The back there. Same thing for the other side now. Okay, the next step involves the LED strip right there, and then K8, 12, and 5 fasteners. We're gonna go down through these holes right here as it sits like this. So I'm just gonna take it and flip it up there. Okay, here's how this went on, right there. Just stuck that right above those holes. Put those fasteners in the LED strip holders, those plastic clips down there, just like that. And then here's what the back looks like right there. Okay, next we're gonna install these back support bars here, piece I's. And this 4 part here is gonna go right down here. So they're just gonna go just like this. And for installing these things, the flat part is gonna go up against the bench. So they're gonna go sit just like this. We'll pull these out and sink them back through there and put 4 in and tighten them down real good. And there we go. Got the right side in now too, right there. Next, we're gonna put this tool rack portion on with K2 and K7. Put 1 here and 1 here. Same thing for this other side. Okay, now that that's on, the next piece to go on is this. And we're gonna put these 2 holes right here. We're gonna line them with these 2 holes right here, so it sits right along here. And we're gonna do it with these K2 and K7 fasteners. All right, there it is. The top 2 in there. You can put these wherever you want. Comes with a whole bag of them. This piece right here is just gonna snap right into this hole there. They can run your cords right out it. These right here, if you want to secure it to the wall to keep it from falling over. All right, there we go. So I can store a bunch of stuff down below, right down here for extra storage. Some tools I use quite a bit. Nice work area right here with an optional mat. I can hang all my tools up here too, and then even room up above for some extra storage, cordless drills, things like that. Really happy with this thing.